Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Hassan Saeed and I welcome you all at WebDoc Health Session. Today we are going to discuss a topic that is known as nasal polyps. So first of all, let me tell you that what nasal polyps are. Nasal polyps are actually the non-cancerous growth within the nose or sinuses. Nasal polyps are sac-like, movable and non-tender growth. They mostly takes place within the both nostrils in the patients who are affected. Symptoms include difficulty in breathing through nose, loss of smell, decrease in the taste sensation, runny nose and postnasal discharge. Causes are not clear, but it can be due to the inflammation within the lining of the sinuses. It can be due to cystic fibrosis, allergic reactions or infections. Complication includes sinusitis and broadening of the nose. Treatment ranges from the medical treatment to surgical treatment that depends upon the severity of the disease. Now if you are having these symptoms at home and you are suspecting a case of nasal polyp, you have to consult your WebDoc doctor for further assistance and guidance and effective or immediate treatment. That's all for today. Thank you so very much. Stay blessed. Keep sharing this video. Allah Hafiz.